And hello there today. In today's video, we're going to talk about the fact, about Haaland transfer news. Erling Haaland to get a dream Manchester United transfer. It could be a dream come true for Manchester United and also for Haaland if a transfer can be secured. And in the recent news, recent development is basically, Ralf Ranić has met up with Erling Haaland's father in order to convince Haaland to move to Manchester United, because there have been rumors. He said that Haaland will be more than delighted to play in a team with players like Fred, Ronaldo, Sancho, Van der Beek, Rashford, and if Erik ten Hag comes along, that will be a bigger boost. Manchester United are one of the several clubs right now who are trying to get Haaland right now. They're one of the several. And the Borussia Dortmund star Erling Haaland is on Manchester United's radar for a long time. Manchester United interim manager Sir Ralf Ranić is pushing for the club to sign the Borussia Dortmund and Norway sensation Erling Haaland, according to several news sites and breaking news. And this is a breaking news across the soccer world, and sports. The 21-year-old striker, who has scored 19 goals in 16 appearances in all competitions so far this season, is considered as one of the most exciting, attention-grabbing players in the world and has no shortage of admirers right across Europe. Despite strong interest from elsewhere, it's understood that Ranić is keen to bring him to Old Trafford and bolster United's attacking options. As reported by the Manchester United Evening News earlier this year, Haaland is a priority target for United when it comes to identifying a striker to spearhead their forward line and to develop a long-term deal, pushing a long-term development. Haaland has a 75 million release clause within his contract that becomes active next year, meaning all the players will try to scramble for this huge signature, and it's seemingly certain he will be leaving Dortmund. Amongst those said to be interested in him including Manchester City, Chelsea, Bayern Munich, Real Madrid, Barcelona and Paris Saint-Germain, meaning United will have to overcome several big hitters to stand any chance of getting a deal over the line. But Ranić's presence at Old Trafford could significantly help United's chance, because the 63-year-old person is the one who had basically mentored him and created him and tailored him to move from Leipzig to Dortmund. If United were to be lucky winners of Haaland's signature next summer, even though it remains impossible to predict where he should end up, you can guarantee that the 2023 United replica shirts with Haaland on the back would be an increasingly high demand. But what number would the Norwegian take? It appears that Haaland, who has netted a staggering 76 goals in 75 games for Dortmund since joining the club in January, has several preferred options. Despite his tender age, he has already won a series of different shirt numbers, so much so they amount to 9 in total. Currently, whilst playing for Dortmund, he wears the shirt number 9. On international duty for Norway, he wears number 23. However, he has also worn 17 and 30. Having won the number 9 shirt last season, and for his Dortmund, it is clear that he would like to continue that trend at Old Trafford. After all, it is a trademark shirt number for all natural goal-scoring predators. At this moment in the time, the number 9 shirt United is held by Anthony Martial, but the Frenchman wants to leave Old Trafford for good, for permanent. He doesn't want to stay here. So he wants to leave the club for absolute good, with an exit seeming likely. Whether it be in January or next summer, his departure would pave the way for Haaland to scoop the number 9 shirt if he joined United. Both 17 and 19 are currently taken by Fred and Rafael Varane respectively, whilst 30 is registered to goalkeeper Nathan Bishop, who is currently on a loan at League 2 side Mansfield Town. But what other number could Haaland currently choose from if he fancied a new fresh surroundings? Here people are suggesting some numbers that he could look at. He could look at number 12 in United. Number 12 has not been worn or claimed by anyone, meaning it's currently available for any potential suitors. He could look for number 15. This is just a discussion. I know we're already discussing stuff in the air, but Ranić is making an effort. Maybe Haaland could wear the shirt 15, or 25. Or or the last owner, or 24. So these are some things, he could basically, they could do, he could wear. And in this case, there are issues of Mina Riola as well. So Mina Riola has dropped hints about the transfer, and we've got to know that Mr. Ralf Rangnick has even contacted Erling Haaland's father for this purpose and tried to convince him so that he convinced Haaland to come to Manchester United and eventually, help them score a winning goal. And that's what he wants. And it's obvious there's gonna be a feeding frenzy when he's, United tried to bring Haaland to Old Trafford in 2020, but still retain an interest in his services. And while City are going to, go for Haaland because they failed to sign Harry Kane. I mean, yeah, they're trying their best to get Haaland right now. I mean, it's the Haalander. Everybody's gonna scramble for Haaland right now. But even though Ralf Rangnick hasn't said it, he has targeted Haaland. Because Ronaldo and both Ronaldo and Sancho, both our strikers, and Cavani, three of them, both of them are quite old. They at best they might play for 2 to 3 more years, and then it's retirement for them. So if that is the case, we do need a new striker. We do need a brand new striker who would come into the match, help us win, play the match with us, and set a clear goal, and then eventually would carry on the legacy for we can have for a long term. Barcelona is also very interested to sign Haaland, but as per the breaking news in the sports and soccer world, they just don't have the funds. Barcelona is in a mess right now, absolutely. They even wanted Cavani, they didn't get Cavani. They wanted Lingard, they didn't get Lingard. They wanted Martial. Martial most probably will move to Barcelona. They will most probably get Martial as their striker. But other clubs are pursuing Martial as well. You have clubs like, basically, I don't know, I'm talking this is relevant because these players have to go before you can bring up Haaland. You have to clear a backlog of players which Ole Gunnar has built. A huge backlog of players. They have to be cleared absolutely before Haaland can be brought in. He can be brought in and he can be utilized in the game as a passionate striker. We need a passionate striker. So that will only be possible when we will basically move these backlogged players away, and we'll get new fresh faces, and faces that basically would help us secure players like Haaland, and we can also go for Declan Rice and several new players. We have to clear that backlog. We have players like Phil Jones and all of these players who are just sitting and they're eating away at United. When you've got so many players at the back, how can you bring on somebody like Haaland and not feel pressurized? You'll have immense pressure. Even though we have a huge budget, still will be under pressure. You won't know who to play and who not to play. So I think Ronaldo is gonna play really well in the future, and Haaland would be delighted to have a chance to play with this legend. So today's video, talks about the fact that Ralf Rangnick has met Haaland's father, and he is trying to convince him to come to Manchester United for an estimated revenue of £75 million. Tell me what you think about this news. I'm gonna bring in more news, and we're growing as a family. It's a wonderful thing. Till then, take care.